My name is Sylvia Wamuhu. I work for Population Services Kenya as a Chief of Party for the USAID Private Sector Engagement Program. The title for my project is Firing Up Girls' Talents to Break the Poverty Cycle and Improve Their Health Today and in the Future. Michelle Obama once said, "Every girl, no matter where she lives, deserves the opportunity to develop the promise inside of her." We also know that when you empower girls, you have empowered the whole society and you have indeed empowered the future. The gap is usually amongst girls from poor families, where they view themselves as powerless and with few life options. They may also have low self-esteem. When you don't have self-confidence, you cannot go far in life. These girls face discrimination, have less opportunities to be educated, are married off early to older men, are more at risk of gender-based violence, and face greater risks of economic exploitation. These challenges and other inhibitive cultural practices have negative ripple effects on their health and livelihood throughout their life cycle. The negative effect is felt today, it is felt tomorrow, and by the future generations. My project is therefore asking the question, how might we successfully close the loop for empowering girls and create a sustainable pathway for them to apply the skills that they have gained? I'm starting from a point of knowledge of knowing that there are several organizations who capacity build the girls on critical health areas. This may include reproductive health education, mental health education, gender-based violence education, and so forth. Other organizations, like the one I work for, Population Services Kenya, go one step further and integrate life skills. This is critical in strengthening their self-confidence, and indeed, they give the girls self-belief that they can in life. What is often missing is creating pathways for taking the first steps towards applying what they have learned. My project has been trying to come up with a structured way of flagging off the girls to apply the learnings that they have done and the information that they have gained, so that when it comes to the whole capacity building, it can include plugging them off to a good starting point. My project has been developing a framework for linking the girls to employment, linking the girls to mentors, and also what it would take for them to start businesses. My project also is developing an assessment tool to check the employability of the girls. For example, can they develop a CV? Can they sit in an interview? It is also developing an assessment of whether they are ready to start businesses for those who are interested in starting businesses. Coupled with these two, I'm also mapping stakeholders to just check who are the stakeholders in this space and have a like mind or are like-minded towards taking the girls from where they are or up to where they have been taken by these implementing partners to the level of applying those skills and the knowledge they have gained. By closing this loop, the girls will get an opportunity to practice what they have learned, grow themselves, and make a living. The confidence levels will also be higher. Every person, as we have said, has an inborn talent. The talents can either be suppressed or powered up. Let us power up these talents that these girls have. At a personal level, the WomenLift leadership journey has been great. It has had a significant positive change in my life. It has created new energy in me. It has awakened me, and I feel very empowered and more confident today. I cannot forget to mention the leadership pillars. Being an authentic leader, where you have a clear sense of self-purpose. Being an inclusive leader, where you are able to embrace diversity and ensure that you create a sense of belonging where everyone can thrive. And bring a strategic leader where you have a very clear vision and you're drawing milestones towards achieving it. And of course, ensuring that you create impact at every opportunity that you get every day of your life. Thank you very much to the WomenLift project. Thank you.